Hey crafty friends, today we're making this adorable milk carton squishy that's been going viral. It's super easy, budget-friendly, and so satisfying. First, draw a simple milk carton template on a sheet of paper, just like I'm doing here. Don't worry if drawing isn't your thing. Now let's bring it to life with a fresh blue and white color theme. Doesn't it all? Next, add a few little details because those tiny touches make your squishy look so much more realistic. Once you're happy with the design, carefully cut it out. Taking your time here will make the final result look much cleaner. Now cover both sides with clear tape. This simple trick makes the squishy stronger, shinier, and much more durable. After that, fold it along the lines to create the milk carton shape. It's finally starting to come together. Now stuff it with soft cotton until it's nice and squishy.